To check why the rotating deck is not working correctly, we must start understanding how the rotation works. In this animation, you can see the groups composing the rotation mechanism, the engine and gears, the bearings, and the steel shaft connecting them. First of all, we have to remove the engine group. You can expose it by unscrewing the 4 screws blocking the support plate. Have someone help you keep the plate in place while removing the screws. Keep in mind that the weight of the group is determined just by the weight of the engine and the gears. The weight of the deck will be self-supported by the bearing group. After removing the screws, lower the engine. If the shaft is stuck in the gear, use a lever to free it and allow it to be removed. Once the part is safely removed, you can try to turn the oven on and check if the engine rotates. If the engine is free to rotate, then the problem is in the bearings. If the engine is stuck, you have to check if the problem is within the gear or in the engine itself. If the engine is working properly, remove the 4 screws holding the thrust bearing plate. If the bearing is damaged, you can easily swap it with a new one. If the problem is the last bearing, in order to change it, you will need to lift the shaft. The easiest way to do it is using a jack and a rod. Place the rod on the bottom of the shaft and remove the screws holding the bearing. Lift the shaft, activating the jack. The bearing will be released, allowing you to replace it.